In order to meet requirements of a cadastral volume in 3 dimensions, we've introduced a new type of object in Pythagoras, a solid. To create solids, first select the polygons that you want to extrude. Then right-click in the drawing and choose Edit, Extrude Polygon to Solid. You can determine the length of the extrusion and you can choose to remove the used polygons or to keep them. In this case, 4 new solids have been made. They have been given the default attributes that you can of course always adjust to your wishes. You can, for instance, change the color and the intensity of the solid to make it transparent. When selecting solids in your drawing, underlying polygons will be given priority. But the selection of solids has been made easy with the help of the hotkey S. Simply left-click the solid while holding S and it will be selected. In the 3D environment, you'll get this result. If you're dealing with a sloped polygon, you can also extrude it in the Z direction. Just give it an extrusion value, choose to remove the polygon and click OK. This will be your result. We've already created our solids, but now we can also select them and we can add a new type of annotation called a volume annotation. Simply click it and the volume annotations will be added. And of course, some of the old annotations can also be applied when you'll have this result.